Hey guys, welcome back to Sidewynders Shed. I got the number one piston installed, and yeah, I'll make a video showing how you install the pistons and everything. I got the crankshaft in. I get everything torqued down. All the tolerances look good. All the clearances are good. I am impressed. I didn't realize this is actually pretty much a zero decked engine right now. Yeah, that piston comes right up flush with the top of this block. I'm glad I didn't need to have it shaved or machined or take anything off the deck height. Yeah, okay, so with a 30 thousandths crush thickness head gasket, 72 cc combustion chambers on the heads, and with these 5 cc valve reliefs, but at zero deck, this thing's gonna, on the compression calculator, it's 9.8 to 1, almost 10 to 1 engine. So anyway, just thought I'd share that with y'all. I'm pretty much wiped out. I'm gonna call it quits for tonight. I did want to get all the pistons in, but I'm just hot, tired, and miserable. But anyway, thank you all for sticking with me. Thank all the new subscribers. I appreciate it. And some of them, yeah, some of you guys got your own YouTube channels too. That's great, man. I love to see y'all. But thank you anyway, and y'all keep watching. And I'm just making a few short videos on this one instead of a whole long thing. But y'all take care. Hope y'all had a good weekend. Hope those of you that went to the No Name Nationals had a great time. I've seen some of your videos, and looks like you had fun. But anyway, y'all take care. Have a good one. We'll see you on the next video.